Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. So this is actually where the highway starts. So this highway, it's going to run from Harborview in St. Andrew through the parish of St. Thomas into Portland, actually into Port Antonio, where this highway will merge with the Northern Coastal Highway. And the Northern Coastal Highway will take you from Port Antonio into St. Mary, through St. Mary, through St. Anne, through Trelawney, through St. James, through Hanover into Westmoreland. So Jamaica very soon will have a super highway running along the entire coast of the north coast of Jamaica from Kingston. So the Northern Coastal Highway is actually built already. They're going to be expanding it, but it's built. And the highway from Harborview to Port Antonio is being built. It's under construction. It's the largest road project Jamaica has on the way right now. So we're going to give you an update now. We're on the actual road. The highway starts right here in Harborview, and we're going to give you an update or a tour of the section from Harborview to Yalas. Now that section is going to be 4 lanes, a dual carriageway. So we are on the actual road that's going to be upgraded to a highway. Now although this road is 4 lanes, well, 4 and some, it's 3 lanes ahead, 4 where we are. It's going to be upgraded to highway quality road with the dual carriageway in the middle. So we're going to give you an update on this section. Now it was announced back in March that this section of the road would be finished by April. Well, as you can see, it's May and it's not finished. So the Prime Minister toured the project in April and announced a completion date of August 2023. However, we are in May now. It's the middle of May. Literally today is the 15th, I think, and we are going to see what's going on, and you guys can leave your messages or comments below telling us if you think this highway will be finished or this section will be finished by August. Now the contractor is China Harbour Engineering Company, so it's possible. If it was a local contractor, I mean, clearly they wouldn't be done, not even by December. Don't mean to be harsh, but it's just a reality when it comes on to building roads in Jamaica. So what they're doing now is taking the 2 lanes and upgrading them or expanding them to 4 lanes. So this section of the road that we're driving on, they're going to take the 2 existing lanes, that's the road, and then put in 2 additional lanes. So that's the work that's being done here. And I don't want to sound harsh when it comes on to the local contractors, but with this road, the local contractors were building a section, and it's turned into a nightmare to the point where China Harbour Engineering Company had to take over the project from the local contractors. I don't want to sound harsh or bad mind, as they say, but it's just a reality that something went wrong with this project when the local contractors worked on it. I'm not sure the reasons though, but we'll discuss that in another video. So this is the road work that's being done. So the additional lanes are being built to the right, and they're putting in a Jersey barrier to separate them. So apparently they have reached as far as here because there is a Jersey barrier on the right. But this is going to be a very nice road when it's finished. We have June, July, August, that's 12 weeks, and then 2 more weeks in May, so that's 14 weeks. I don't see it being completed in 14 weeks, but as I said, we'll make update videos every 2 weeks, and as we get closer we'll make them every week so that you guys can see what's going on and if they're going to make that deadline. But 14 weeks, I don't see it being done in 14 weeks. And they said the section from Harborview to the Yallow's Bridge, which is going to be 4 lanes the entire way, will be done by August. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave a comment in the section below. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.